Hello, lovely viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting and transformative topic to dive into: the power of visualization and how it connects to the law of attraction and the law of assumption. We'll be crafting our vision board for 2024, a powerful tool to manifest your dreams. So, get ready to learn how to make 2024 your best year yet. Clarify your goals. This is where it all begins. The law of attraction and the law of assumption both rely on your ability to be specific and clear about what you want to manifest. Whether it's career success, improved health, or fulfilling relationships, be crystal clear about your objectives. Write them down, envision them, and make them real in your mind. Gather materials. You'll need magazines, images, quotes, and any other materials that resonate with your goals. These can be physical cutouts from magazines or digital resources if you're creating a digital vision board. The key is to collect visuals that inspire and remind you of your aspirations. Choose a base. Now that you've clarified your goals and gathered your materials, it's time to select the perfect base for your vision board. Your choice here is crucial because it sets the stage for your daily inspiration. Consider using a poster board for a traditional approach, giving you ample space to arrange your visual elements. Alternatively, a corkboard provides a more dynamic option, allowing you to pin and rearrange items easily. If you prefer a digital vision board, you can utilize various online platforms or apps designed for this purpose. Whichever base you choose, make sure it's a space where you'll see it regularly. This is essential because the consistent exposure to your vision board will reinforce the law of attraction, reminding you of your goals and aspirations, and helping you manifest the life you desire. So, choose wisely, and let's move on to the next step. Arrange your elements. It's time to get creative. Start arranging your chosen elements on the board. Organize them in a way that visually pleases you and reflects the harmony of your aspirations. Consider categorizing sections for different aspects of your life: career, health, relationships, and more. Add affirmations. Here's where the law of assumption comes into play. Incorporate positive affirmations that resonate with your goals. These statements should be in the present tense, as if you've already achieved what you desire. For example, I am living a life of abundance. This reinforces the belief that your desires are on their way to you. Display your vision board. And finally, step 6, display your vision board. Place it in a prominent location where you'll see it daily. The visual cues will consistently remind your subconscious mind of your goals, reinforcing the law of attraction. It's like programming your mind to attract the experiences you want to live. Now that we've crafted our vision board, let's delve deeper into the transformative power of visualization and how it connects to the law of attraction and the law of assumption. The law of attraction, popularized by figures like Abraham Hicks, is all about attracting energies similar to your thoughts. It's the idea that like attracts like. So, if you're constantly thinking positive thoughts and focusing on your goals, you'll attract positive energy and experiences into your life. Similarly, the law of assumption, rooted in self-improvement and the science of mind, is about adopting the mindset that what you want is already on its way to you. It's the power of positive thinking taken to the next level. When you assume that your desires are coming to fruition, you create a self-concept that aligns with your goals. Both of these laws emphasize the power of positive thinking and shaping your beliefs to manifest the life you desire. Your thoughts and beliefs emit energy into the universe, and whether it's positive or negative, it attracts similar energy back to you. It's like a magnetic force drawing your dreams closer. So, there you have it. A comprehensive guide on crafting your vision board for 2024 and understanding the transformative power of visualization, the law of attraction, and the law of assumption. Remember, this is not just a craft project. It's a tool to reshape your destiny. Make 2024 your year of transformation. Start today by creating your vision board and watch how the universe aligns itself to make your dreams come true. We believe in you, and we're here to support your journey. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends and family. Together, we can make 2024 our best year yet. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep believing, and keep attracting the life you deserve. Goodbye, and stay blessed.